In this video, I'll show you how to make a video with Grok Imagine. First, open the Grok app or visit the Grok website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open Imagine and select the option to create a new video if it's available for your account. Next, type a detailed prompt describing the video you want to generate. Include the main subject, the setting, the camera movement, the lighting, the visual style, and the overall mood. The more specific your prompt is, the better the generated video will match your idea. Now, choose any available video settings, such as the aspect ratio, video length, or quality. If your version of Grok Imagine offers different generation modes, select the one that best fits your project. After that, click the Generate button and wait while Grok creates your video. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, this may take a few moments. Once the video is ready, play it back and review the results. If you'd like to make changes, edit your prompt and generate the video again. You can ask Grok to change the camera angle, use a different animation style, adjust the lighting, replace the background, or create a completely different scene. Continue refining the prompt until you're satisfied with the final result. Finally, when you're happy with your video, click the Download or Export button to save it to your device. You can then use the video in presentations, social media posts, marketing campaigns, or other creative projects, while making sure your use complies with Grok's terms and any applicable copyright or usage policies. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a video with Grok Imagine. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.